When you picture a factory of the future, you might imagine endless robotic arms and laser beams, all running without a human in sight. But the real revolution isn't just about robots, it's about an invisible, intelligent layer of software transforming everything. This digital revolution is powered by the concept of the digital twin. Instead of replacing every machine, we're making existing ones smarter and more reliable. Think of it as giving the factory a super-intelligent brain that can see, understand, and predict what's happening in real time. The real change is happening on computer screens and in data centers, not just on the factory floor. We're moving from building and hoping things work, to digitally building, testing, and perfecting them first. This shift, driven by digital twins and AI, is creating a new era of industrial intelligence. Let's dive into how a factory's virtual copy is changing the way we build, prevent disasters, and invent better products. So, what is a digital twin? Imagine creating a living, dynamic simulation of your favorite potted plant, a virtual copy that grows, changes, and reacts just like the real thing. Now, scale that up to a jet engine or an entire factory. A digital twin is a detailed, virtual replica of a physical object or system, constantly updated with real-world data. It's not just a blueprint, it's a living model that mirrors reality. Sensors on the physical object stream data, temperature, pressure, vibration, into the digital twin in real time. This connection lets us see inside machines, monitor their health, and understand complex interactions from a single screen. The digital twin becomes a powerful tool for experimentation and prediction. We can safely test what-if scenarios, like changing materials or increasing speeds, without risking real equipment. It's a virtual sandbox for optimizing and improving everything we build. Digital twins help us shape a smarter, more efficient future. Creating a digital twin starts with a detailed 3D model of a physical asset, say, a robotic arm, but the real magic comes from sensors attached to the machine, collecting data like temperature, vibration, and energy use. This data streams to the digital twin, updating its virtual state in real time. If the real robot's motor heats up, the digital twin reflects that instantly. AI analyzes this constant flow of data, learning what normal looks like and spotting tiny deviations that could signal problems. This creates a feedback loop. The robot works, sensors gather data, the digital twin updates, and AI provides insights. Engineers use these insights to make real-world adjustments. For example, AI might predict a bearing will fail in 72 hours, letting maintenance crews fix it before a breakdown. It's a cycle of monitoring, analyzing, predicting, and acting. This approach keeps factories running smoothly and prevents costly surprises. The digital twin turns data into action. Why are digital twins so important now? Modern factories face intense pressure, more complex products, fragile supply chains, and demands for speed and sustainability. A single delayed part can halt production, and companies must squeeze every bit of efficiency from their operations. Digital twins provide a complete view, helping spot inefficiencies and reduce waste. As experienced workers retire, digital twins capture and share their expertise, training new employees in a safe, virtual environment. The pace of business is faster than ever. Physical prototyping is too slow. Digital twins let companies design, test, and perfect thousands of virtual prototypes before building anything real. This digital-first approach gives companies a massive edge in a competitive world. Smarter factories are no longer optional, they're essential. A digital twin is powerful, but when you add AI, it becomes an intelligent partner. AI processes the flood of data, turning the twin from a passive mirror into a predictive tool. It recognizes patterns across thousands of machines, spotting subtle signs of trouble before humans can. For example, AI might detect a combination of vibrations and temperature changes that signal a bearing is about to fail. This enables predictive maintenance, fixing problems before they cause downtime. Maintenance shifts from reactive to proactive, saving time and money. AI can also recommend solutions, running simulations to find the best way to resolve bottlenecks or optimize production. Managers get data-backed options, making decisions faster and with more confidence. The digital twin, supercharged by AI, becomes an indispensable advisor. It doesn't just spot problems, it helps solve them. This is the future of smart manufacturing. The real-world impact of digital twins is already huge. In aerospace, every jet engine has a digital twin, allowing real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and optimized fuel use, saving money and reducing emissions. Car manufacturers use digital twins to simulate new production lines, solving problems virtually and cutting retooling time in half. Wind farms use digital twins to adjust turbine blades for maximum energy and predict maintenance needs, avoiding costly repairs. Even beverage companies use digital twins to optimize bottling lines, boosting output by 15% without new equipment. These aren't futuristic dreams, they're practical tools delivering results today. Digital twins help companies manage products from design to end of life. They reveal hidden inefficiencies and unlock new levels of performance. The benefits are measurable: faster production, lower costs, and less waste. Going digital is transforming entire industries. Despite all this technology, people remain at the heart of the digital twin revolution. Digital twins and AI are tools that empower workers, not replace them. Skilled operators and managers use these tools to make smarter decisions and drive improvements. The goal isn't a factory without people, but one where humans and technology work together. Factory managers use digital twins as co-pilots, getting clear recommendations but making the final call. Workers shift from repetitive tasks to analyzing data and solving problems. Maintenance teams focus on prevention, guided by predictive alerts. Human creativity and intuition are irreplaceable. AI can optimize, but only people can invent and innovate. Digital twins give engineers a safe space to test bold ideas and accelerate innovation. The future factory is a partnership between human insight and machine intelligence. The impact of digital twins and AI goes beyond the factory floor. They connect design, manufacturing, and logistics, creating a unified digital thread across the organization. Designers use digital twins to ensure new products are easy and cost-effective to make. This early feedback saves time and resources, optimizing products from the start. Digital twins link factories with suppliers, creating a transparent, agile supply chain. If a disruption occurs, AI instantly simulates alternatives, keeping production on track. Training is transformed. New employees practice complex tasks in virtual reality, safely and realistically. On the sustainability front, digital twins help companies cut energy use, reduce waste, and design for recycling. They identify inefficiencies and test green strategies before making real-world changes. The ripple effect is a smarter, more sustainable, and more resilient industry. The factory of the future isn't about mindless robots, it's about self-aware systems that understand and optimize themselves. Digital twins and AI give factories a kind of consciousness. They know their condition, predict the future, and work with humans to improve. This marks a shift from reactive to proactive manufacturing, a system that learns and evolves. Sensors act as the nervous system, AI as the brain, and the digital twin as the body. Together, they reveal hidden processes, prevent failures, and enable rapid innovation. This transformation is happening now, not in some distant future. Companies embracing digital twins are leading the next industrial revolution, more agile, efficient, and innovative. The digital twin revolution is about illuminating complexity and empowering people. The factories that thrive will be those that know themselves best, constantly learning and improving. The future is being built, one smart data-driven decision at a time.